我在我的公司是负责物流的工作。我妈妈呢，她有冰淇淋，种的话呢，怎么样种都会生的。有一天我在路上就看到有人丢了一个desert roses， 我就拿回来跟我妈妈讲，这盆花要死了，我们可以救它吗？她说可以啊，那是问题啊。
I need a power nap.
I'm pooped.
I need a power nap.
Did you know that the planet is
It's
considered
not here yet.
95?
It's not here yet.
Yeah! 但自从步入婚姻后，他便开始对这个问题。
Roses are red, violets are blue.
Honey is sweet, and so are you.
每次遇到他就
Much better.
不能再去肯定，开始去看。我的朋友是现在结婚的啦，有孩子。
What's your favorite ice cream?
有 baby。
Oh, I needed that. Yeah! To the playground. Let me help you.
Fun fact, I read that friends don't just make you happier, they make you healthier too.
Like I always say, two heads are better than one. That was Ben the bot, but I'm trying to express my emotions. Do you keep a diary?
Nah, I have a lot of sketches.
Is it still deja
I've also
vu
made
if
a
we hang out
brush.
every day?
Good question.
Yippee!
And it might be more of a
Let's try and get 3 in a row.
At least it went to a good cause. Woohoo!
我的朋友是这样的，所以你能不能这么奇怪吗？我很久没有去真的去中国啊去看了，这样看了，爸爸还是会中国来吗？
feel like I'm the only one.
温度面霜能让物质复苏的梦想，让他的心体验真实的外出。经过几个场细心呵
So
护，
cool! Oh my
在
gosh!
心中甚至结婚的3次的结论，而不成功绽放。
好像我自己第3次的
That's
SPI
it. Ha!
我记得从小我就觉
To
得，
the playground.
因为他有机会去活下来，我一定会去救，这样我就没有放弃。
体会到植物重获生机的感动，翁佩林也开始萌生回馈社会、为公益贡献一份力量的想法。他常年资助弱势国家的4级活动。 一直建议他以顺利之后，将随着地上捐赠给他支持的慈善单位。
因为这是我的好意，从来没有想过要去越南的角度。今天是
Wanna play Crazy Maze?
How about Practicite?
Or Big Planes?
Let's just pick one.
我的拿的会
Now my
Ever wonder if there are more colors in the world that we just can't see?
Well, I happen to know that our eyes can't see infrared or ultraviolet, so that's at least two.
I'm gonna sunbathe, but wake me up if I fall asleep. Rub-a-dub-dub, take me to the hot tub.
在这个花园里面，有用很大很大的镜子，那是我的孩子，在我们家，一个很好的牧师，我的孩子。
我在这头你家，跟这些花花草草，给我真正的职业。
Hey, you know what would make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches even better? Chocolate sprinkles? Exactly! Time to head home. Time to go, folks.
How are you finding the new race car controls?
Super smooth.
Great job fixing them up.
Wanna hear something spooky?
Yeah!
Last night, from my window, I saw a figure floating through the park.
Oh, that was just Hank sleepwalking to the store district.
I love that.
So you can see I have to go, right?
Nature calls.
我从来没有想到毛孔可以对我某一个前男友说对对。跟他认识了非常
啊！
我真不知道这一集内容你可以用多少。来了，我赢了。有的时候，演员身在一个工作状态的时候，是很难讲出自己的情绪的。我们其实平常看起来都很自在，可是面对工作是很想要把自己的专业完整版的呈现，也更不希望自己的情绪会影响到任何人。OK， 这里，我下去找他。